This animation will show the changes that occur in the lungs if you have chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Click the navigation arrows below the animation screen to play, pause, rewind or fast forward the animation. Air passes through the trachea and bronchi to the lungs when you breathe. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD for short, is the term used to describe long-term conditions affecting the lungs which cause breathing difficulties. COPD is mainly caused by smoking cigarettes. People with COPD can have the conditions chronic bronchitis and emphysema. Chronic bronchitis affects the bronchi, and emphysema affects the alveoli. The bronchi are the large tubes or airways in the lungs. Air or oxygen flows through these tubes. The bronchi branch and narrow into tubes called bronchioles. The bronchioles continue to branch and end with tiny air sacs called alveoli. In healthy lungs, oxygen is taken into the body through the bronchi and passes into the blood via the alveoli. Chronic bronchitis affects the lining of the bronchi. The lining becomes irritated and inflamed. It produces excess mucus, which blocks the airways. Emphysema damages the alveoli and the walls break down. The effects of COPD mean less oxygen passes into the blood. COPD leads to breathing difficulties, wheezing and coughing. COPD tends to get progressively worse. This is the end of the animation. Click on the animation screen to watch it again.